knew her, she kind of was already in New Zealand when everybody was living their lives still in Niuean. And so we looked out west, and back in those days it was very hard for us to come and see our family out south, because the roads weren't as direct as what they are today. But one thing I know about my grandmother is how much she loved her family, and she brought us up on love. My grandmother, if she ever spoke about her father, she had such respect for him. And her mother, as she spoke about her mother, she was so proud to be from her mother. And when you hear all these stories, share them around, because you can connect the dots and how much this family actually loves each other. And it's a shame, like I said, it's a shame for those who didn't meet my grandmother. But you know, it's a shame I didn't get to meet my other family too, like her sister Mono or Uncle Tuki. I didn't get to meet them, and that's why I say, for those we didn't meet, for those we aren't going to meet, and for those who we have met, cherish every moment with your family and just make sure you learn those stories about them. One thing I do want us to, you know, the Jacksons, they love to sing, they're good singers. Everybody knows Jacksons for being singers. We love to sing, it's in our blood. Yeah? Yeah! We all agree on that, and that's how we show our love, is by singing. And one song that I want to sing is, for all of us to sing, is for all our family that we didn't meet, for those, our grandchildren, great-grandchildren that we're not going to meet, and for us here today, while we're here, seeing each other, breathing and meeting each other. They are sad songs. Let's sing it for our family, you know? It's for our family, I think everybody knows.